So, him knows that she pregnant, right?
Yeah, him know.
Oh. Boy, that the pregnancy is something that's supposed to be bad. That's I want fun with me, I want to catch.
Yeah, cause from she pregnant, it's like the two of them can't agree.
I don't like the sound of that. Anyway, you have nothing with cheese.
Bigfoot.
Oh, that's fine. You have ketchup?
Yeah.
Alright, love that.
Ketchup with Bigfoot.
So, in some way here. Imagine. Yeah, no man. Something alright. Because you are telling me say you have girl at your workplace well like you. Something or something.
Girl, I'm workplace will like him. Him tell you what she name?
Me tell him what she name, cause me at your sitting in the night. That means wait, I can't sit in can she? Fair on, we'll go on, but if you mind, I don't play about it because it's an old party would have done like yeah, rub around. But look at it, okay.
Patsy, you eat Bigfoot with ketchup?
I eat my favor about 2 weeks now, my crib. You see what I'm saying? Feel good.
Alright.
Let me more for me.
We can go in our room because we are burn up in our kitchen. Patsy, you still at your voice?
No, look at me. Every day and twice a day.
Twice a day? Oh, why you here?
I come on, my love. All me know is when I stop hear things. At this point, everybody business, you know. I hear mother me here.
My mother? Where you here?
One if or something. My ear she a customer there. I say she done with them. I want my things. But let me say, I will put different things me here. I don't know, I confused sometimes. So you and she?
We good, you know? I mean, we have built a mother and daughter relationship. She even can look for me before the hurricane and get some things for me.
What nice here?
So when last you go look for your father?
Well, a long time I don't look for him. But if I give him over for you, now come to think about it. I might have to go look for him for 2 because I need to start with my life.
Yeah, you really have to go look for him. Because I need help. This Ketchup and Bigfoot. Go look for him. You're not gonna have though. You know the word try them, so you need to put it back.
Put it back. Put it back. Put it down.
Sorry? Patsy, you sure you're alright? You sure you know?
No, what? I'm sure I'm in a one.
Sick. Whisper to me the other day say you're not 200.
I say if exaggeration was a person, you would have been that one. 2 look at time now? I 2 look at time, tell him I'm sick. 2 look at time. And he wants to say I got hospital, so I'm going to do surgery.
Patsy, I came care about you. And him a lot concerned, because him say, him see you have a meet and them somewhere.
Me eat something when never agree with me. You never name nothing when don't agree with the ex, eh? Talk to me. Come back and make your brother, you know. I let me put here. Every time I try to explain to people, only that's an OD the thing. Him a OD, I know you are OD. What is me now? Boy!
Patsy, alright?
Give me one second.